Okay, I'm going to show you how to post your final project to Padlet, but this works for anything that you want to post to Padlet. So here I have an example project. Thank you to the student whose project I'm using. So say I'm done. I'm going to title this project my name, final project on this. Okay, then I'm going to go to Google Classroom. I'm going to find the assignment where I need to post this. It is here. And I'm going to open the Padlet. Once I get to the Padlet, I'm going to click on this plus sign. And then I'm going to click Upload. Then I'm going to click Pick File. Now, I'm going to cut to a clip right now that I got from the YouTube channel of Josh Harris. The link is in the description. I had to use his clip because I don't have a Chromebook that works like the school Chromebooks. So the clip will show you what it's going to look like on your computer once you click Pick File. So you're going to click Pick File.
Side and click Choose File, and this will open up my Google Drive. So now in my Google Drive, I'm going to look for the picture that I want to insert. Oh, I see it right there. It's my robot badge. So I'm going to click Open. Now Padlet takes a second to think about it and make sure it's the right picture. So as soon as it's done thinking, it asks us, does this look good? That's the picture I want, so I'm going to click OK.
So he says picture in that clip, but you are going to post your slideshow or your Google Doc or whatever it is that you chose to make for your final project. So on my computer, it looks like this, because it's not my Google Drive that I choose from, it's my hard drive. So I'm going to click the correct name of the project, then I'm going to click Open, and it's going to take a second to load. And that's it.